Hello Windows Universe! In this window we will look at how to optimize Windows 10 to improve your gaming performance. There will also be an informative article linked in the description down below. Do not forget to create a system restore point on your computer before trying any of these changes. It is a good idea to update your drivers. Make sure that you are using the latest drivers from your graphics card. You can make excellent graphics card at the company's website that we link in the article. Drivers that a lot of gamers overlook that should be updated are the video adapter drivers and the sound card drivers. Sometimes a simple update of these drivers can improve your performance. When you play games on a console like the Xbox, the only process is running the game. Not so on a PC. To optimize your performance, you should go into the task manager and close every active non-system process. The more space you can allocate to your game, the better your experience will be. Put your system on a high performance plan. Go to power and sleep. Go into an additional power option. And make sure that you are on the highest performing plan possible. This will increase power allocation to the CPU. I would recommend that if you're on a laptop to make sure you're plugged in while on this setting, otherwise you will drain your battery. Try not to have too many players in a multiplayer game. Reduce the number of players in an LAN or an internet game. Then try playing around with the settings of the game in question. The software usually selects the best graphics setting. However, there may be instances where the software selects the lowest setting, even if your system is able to run a higher setting. Another piece of advice is to check your hard disk for errors. Run a check disk. Open the command prompt. As an administrator. And type in check disk /F, and we're going to check this and hit enter. You most likely will be asked to run the check disk at the next restart since the C drive is in use. Just type Y, hit enter, and then restart your computer. If you're not too tech savvy or just do not have the time to go in and manually make these changes, there are free gaming boost software out there available. We link a couple in the article. Try these and see if they make a difference. Finally, look at upgrading your hardware. Older hardware struggles with handling the graphics of your games. Look at upgrading your graphics card, your processor, your RAM. Usually only one of these needs to be replaced to see an improvement. Did any of these help you? Let us know some of the things you've done to tweak your gaming experience on the PC in the comments below. Hey, and give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to our channel where we are always uploading new content to make your digital universe just a little bit better. Thanks for watching and have a great day.